in from PublicAi. Okay, so right now the airdrop is currently live and you can be able to claim. So you can go to token.publicai.io/airdrop to claim your airdrop. Okay, so yeah, I think you need to have your near protocol wallet to be able to check your eligibility. Okay, and you're going to check how much of public tokens that you got for this protocol. Okay, so yeah, I think a lot of people are missing on this airdrop. So maybe not much of a hype for this protocol, near protocol. Okay, so PublicAi. So if you have been doing that, you might want to go and claim your airdrop. And then next, we're going to see here coming in from Blast Airdrop. So Blast Airdrop right now, I think they've given you roughly until August 19th, okay, which is this coming Tuesday. Okay, so you got about 3 to 4 days to actually start to register your wallet. When you want to use your Solana wallet or preferably OKX wallet, which they will give you about 5% boost or allocation on your Blast token. Okay, so if you think that you have been doing Blast airdrop, so you might want to start to register. Okay, want to register here blast.network/dashboard/airdrops. Okay, and then you want to go and claim your, start to register, key in your wallet address, and then yeah, and you're good to go. I think you need to enter your Twitter account. Okay, you need to link with your Twitter account, and then of course your Solana wallet like Phantom, Backpack, or whichever. OKX would be better because 5% allocation additional reward for those of you who have been doing this blast. And then moving on next, coming in from Somnia. So finally, Somnia have dropped the checker, and I think season 5 is already on the way. So once the token goes live, I think probably could be this coming Monday or this coming week. And then season 5 will start immediately. Okay, so you might want to check your Somnia, register.somnia.network, and see how much you have gotten for your allocation. So I think most likely big on for season 5, for those of you who've been gotten the 20%, the remaining 80%, I think you still have to work hard for your 80%. Okay, you still have to work hard. You still have to put in work on the next quest for season 5. So you might want to check the wallet and of course your Twitter account and your Discord if you think that you're qualified, but it's optional. Okay, your EVM wallet, okay, like MetaMask, Rabi wallet, check whether you have gotten this airdrop, right? So I think some of us have gotten quite a decent sum. So yeah, I believe you should also check. I think this is free, okay, free to do for everyone because it's a testnet and it's a layer 1. And they have about 270 million funding coming in from Somnia, right, by the VCs they have invested. So yeah, I think congratulations once again for those of you guys who have gotten this airdrop, 20% on TGE. Remaining 80%, you have to work hard for your 80%, which is season 5 onwards, right? So yeah. And then moving on next, we're going to see a company from Hyperlane. So if you have registered your wallet address for Q2 or season 2, and if you think that you've been doing since March till June, not mistaken, okay, you can start claiming on August 18th, which is 2 days from now, which is Monday, this coming Monday, okay, 2 p.m. UTC. Okay, so yeah, I think congratulations once again for those of you guys who have been doing Hyperlane. Okay, if you think that you'll be doing, then I think you should qualify for this. Okay, so yeah, this is the second season drop. So we don't know how much allocation, but we'll only find out on this coming Monday. And then next, we're going to see here coming in from Mitosis. So Mitosis, I believe, is under the Linea ecosystem, and it's a liquid staking platform. And I believe most likely TGE will be around the corner as well. I think will be around on 21st. So look at the roadmap. Okay, here, say 77% on 26 July, 5% on 14 August. So if this were the calculation, most likely will be on the 21st. Okay, for Mitosis. And then last but not least, we're going to see here come in from Linea. So I think Linea, if you look here, they've been around since 2 years. Okay, so you might want to check. I think most likely TGE could be around 16th September. And I think this is confirmed by Declan Fox, the head of Linea. Okay, if you view the video, he even mentioned saying it's an easy yes. Okay, so something is happening all the time, right? So most likely September 16 could be the TGE. Most likely will be the TGE. So 1 month from now, again, so I think the wait is finally over. You don't know what to expect. But again, right now we're going to wait for the tracker. So maybe tracker could be first week of September or could be end of this month. Okay, so yeah, I think most likely this is the good news that we are preparing. And of course, that's all I have for this weekend.